Hi Year 6, to complete this task you need to create a layout of your dream bedroom. To do this, you're going to use the Floor Planner website. You can see it here open in front of you, and this is a little example of how to interact with this website. Over on this side you have walls. You can click these walls and place them on the grid. There are vertical walls, there are horizontal walls. With these walls you can move them, resize them, rotate them, turn them 90 degrees left or right, back to front, duplicate them. You can also create curved walls. Remember that your total area for this room has to be 20 square meters. As you can see, this layout is made on a grid. There are lots of little squares, but there is also a larger grid on top of it made up of squares that are 4 by 4. You might be able to see the outline here as I show you. You might decide that one of those squares is equal to 1 square meter, or you might decide that each of the little squares is equal to 1 square meter. It's up to you. Once you have the outline of your room, and yours is going to look a lot more interesting than mine, you need to detail the measurements of each wall. To do this, you need to add a label. You need to put a text label on each wall. Click on it and tell me how big it is. For instance, 2 meters. You're going to do this for every wall in your room. You get the idea. Once you have labelled all of your rooms, you need to add a final text label that tells me the total perimeter and the total area of your rooms. Once you have completed all of this, you need to be able to submit this. So how are you going to do that? On your computer, you're going to go and find your snip tool. Mine's already open and up the top in my toolbar. I'm going to click Capture and take a screenshot of my layout. I can then embed this in a Word document and print it out for feedback from your peer group and from your teacher. Good luck!